So 25. What is your dream? So what is your dream?
What?
What's your dream?
I want to be a singer.
Professional singer? Oh, good. You looks like. You should sell your music.
Sorry?
Do you have any record in your home? Your singing record?
I put a couple of things on my YouTube and my Facebook.
I think you can sell your song in China. Lots of people will like your song, maybe. What do you think? So what's your favorite song? Sing some song is your favorite song.
My favorite song.
Yeah.
Way down Louisiana, close to New Orleans, way back up in the woods among the evergreens, there stood a log cabin made of earth and wood. Lived a country boy named Johnny Be Good. Never ever learned to read or write so well, but he could play guitar just like a ringing a bell.
I'm nervous.
Oh, flower of Scotland, where will we see your light?
Okay, let's sing.
Wise men say, echoes rush in, but I can't tell.
We apologize that we only
Hey, oh my God!
I've been out of Vancouver for 6 months, and then before that I was in Vancouver for 8 months. And then I was out of Vancouver for 4 months, and then I moved back into Vancouver.
So what do you do in your city?
Sorry?
What do you do? What's your job? Okay, what do you do in your city?
I guess some people would call it door-to-door sales.
Or you always door-to-door sell? Why you don't go to apply job in the Home Depot? Or somewhere, some company will be easy for you. Door-to-door is hard work. What do you think?
I like walking, and
People like you maybe. You think you are romantic.
yeah, I get called a romantic. a couple
But
times.
that's why your family, they don't have money to give to you. You have to independent, right? Because you have too many sisters. You are youngest or you have some,
I'm the middle child.
huh?
I'm the middle child.
Or middle child.
Yeah, there's 13 of us. I am the 7th oldest. I am the 7th youngest. And funny enough,
So you have a lot of like young sister brother, maybe 13, 14 still.
sorry?
Now you still have maybe couple, maybe young age brother, sister. How old they are? Like.
How old's my...
So I think now you just after few months, I think you will find some acting job. No problem.
If I apply for it, if I audition, I should apply and audition for it. I really should.